Cosplay Kitchen. Today I'm Disneybound in Figment and we are making the Polynesian sauce from the Bengal BBQ. So hop on in, join the party, and let's get started. Now we're going to start out with, some people like to marinate theirs beforehand. This is actually a sauce. If you're making it true to form of the Bengal BBQ, you would go and grill up your chicken and then you put the sauce over it. If you'd like to marinate it, that's up to you. It's all a matter of personal preference. So we're going to be starting out with some pineapple juice. Then to that, we're going to be adding in some ketchup. This is one of the two ingredients that's going to help to give it that really nice red color that sauce is known for. And then some soy sauce. Now make sure with your soy sauce that you're using some low sodium, because this is where all of your salt is going to be, and it's going to get to be really salty if you decide to use it as a marinade. If you're not marinating it, then don't worry quite so much about finding that low sodium. Then some orange juice. Then I'm adding in some sherry wine. Some Worcestershire sauce. I've noticed a lot of other recipes don't utilize Worcestershire sauce, and to me they end up landing just a little on the flat side. This will help to kind of bring in that umami flavor that so many people love. Adding in some paprika. Paprika is also going to really help to bring in that red color. Also add in a tiny bit of spice to it. And some brown sugar. So after all, this is a fairly sweet sauce. And a couple of grinds of black pepper. And we're going to go ahead and whisk this all together. Now again, if you're using this as a marinade, this is going to be the time you're going to want to marinate your chicken. If you do decide to do that, however, do make sure that if you're going to do that, that after you're done marinating, you be sure to bring this to a full boil on your stove. Reason being is you want to make sure that you get rid of any kind of germs or anything that might be inside of your chicken. Notice we haven't added in any cornstarch yet. If you have chosen to use this as marinade, you don't want to add in your cornstarch until after you have brought it to a full boil. So that way you can control how thick your sauce ends up getting. So if you are going to go and add it in afterwards, you're going to want to go and take your cornstarch and mix it in with a tiny bit of water before you add it into a hot liquid. If you add cornstarch directly into a hot liquid, the outside of the cornstarch will instantly gelatinize and you'll end up with little bits floating inside of your sauce instead of a nice thickened sauce. So if you're adding it into hot liquid, make sure you mix that cornstarch in with a little tiny bit of water, which you could use anyway because during the boiling process you've already released some of that. If you are like me and you're just going to be taking it straight to the stove to use as a sauce, we're going to add it in right away. So thank you for joining us today. If you had a good time, be sure to throw up a like, maybe even consider subscribing, and don't yell us no.